In this video, I want to share with you how you can niche down in the very competitive graduation niche. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. So before I share with you how to niche down in the graduation niche, I just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon, like I always do. So yesterday I was actually able to squeak out somewhat of a good day, because if you remember from my video from yesterday, I was only at like $10, but I was able to get $35 in royalties. I ended up selling some Galentine's, which is a sub niche in the Valentine's Day niche. So Galentine's Day shirts. And today it is right now 5:47 p.m. and I have 14 sales sitting at $25. That is going to put me at a grand total of 839 sales for the month and $1,083 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, lifestyle pics, entrepreneur pics, just my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of this video. So like I said, I'm going to share with you how you can niche down in the very competitive graduation niche. The graduation niche is probably one of the best niches of the year. Now I did make a video about this strategy actually last year, so I apologize if this is like repetitive content, but since I have a lot more subscribers now, I thought the new subscribers could get some benefit from this. So a lot of us, or a lot of you guys, have probably seen this very popular design right here that says proud mom or proud dad of a 2024 graduate, right? Now if we type this into Amazon, we're going to see 208 results, but if we go to the third page, we're going to see that it bumps up to, I believe it says like 7,000. This would refresh. So right here we're going to see 7,000, and they're pretty much all the same. You know, it's basically just proud dad, proud mom, or proud grandma. The only thing that they change is basically the demographics. So maybe it's like this, they change the font, the color. So if you were to just make another one of these like proud mom of a 2024 graduate, you know, you're not really adding any value to the marketplace. You know, there's already a million of these, you know, so why would yours sell if there's already, you know, a million of them? So what you need to do, or what I would recommend that you do if you want to tap into this niche, is to niche down. So how can we niche down into this niche? Well, the way that we can niche down into this niche is focusing on specific majors that people are going to be graduating in. So like an example of this would be like proud mom of a 2024 nursing graduate, proud mom of a 2024 computer science graduate, proud mom of a 2024 engineering graduate. And if we go to, I think I actually searched for this. So if we go to this page right here, I think I typed in proud dad of a 2024 pharmacist graduate. So let's take a look at some examples. So like something like this. Now this is from 2023 because I really wasn't able to find any for 2024. So making a design like this or like this, proud mom of a 2023 pharmacy graduate. Actually, they forgot the E there, so that's a mistake. But so like this one right here. So what you can do is you can make like one design and then basically scale it out. So you would just switch out the pharmacy for, like I said, computer science, engineering, nursing, psychology, biology. And what you want to do is basically go to like Google and just type in, you know, most popular majors. Sorry, my internet seems to be a little low. So you can just go to Google and you just want to type in like a list of the most popular college degrees, college majors, and you're going to see that there's a list of them. And I've actually done pretty well with this the past 2 years. I'm probably not going to do it this year just because I just have so many things on my plate right now. I'm focusing on some other types of niches. But if we could just get this out the way, I could show you. So like right here, we're going to see top 10 college majors. So these are some of the most popular college majors. We're going to see like computer science, communications. Right here, we have political science, business. That's a good one. Also judicial. There's a lot more than these 10. I mean, you could just pull up a list of like, you know, 50 if you wanted to. But there's so many. So like business, economics, English major, psychology major, nursing major, chemical engineering major, biology major. So like I said, just what you want to do is you want to go to Google, look for the most popular majors, and then basically you want to make a design that's kind of like this one right here, you know, proud dad of a 2023, or you want to do 2024 because that's the upcoming year, or yeah, the current year, proud dad of a 2024 pharmacy graduate. And then you just scale it out and you do all the different types of majors. And then you want to do it for like mom, you want to do it for dad, you want to do grandma, grandpa, aunt, uncle. Now the ones that have worked the best for me are mom, dad, and aunt. For some reason, those seem to do the best. And also the niches or the degrees or majors have been like ones that are in the like medical department or the medical field. So like pharmacist or pharmacy has worked really well for me. Another one is like nursing. What other one? There's a couple other ones that also worked well for me, like the judicial one has also worked well. So what you want to do is just want to go to Google. Like if you just go back here, if I just go back, you're going to see that I did a Google search for the most popular majors, and here like some right here. So you can get a whole bunch of designs like education, computer science. Well, I mentioned that one, and basically just make one design like that, and you know, you have a whole bunch of designs. And it's a way to tap into this niche that's already very competitive. Because if we do a search for, like if we go proud dad of a 2024 pharmacist graduate, you know, you're not really going to be able to find anything. Everything is from like 2023. Like there's barely anybody that's doing this. You know, because basically people just see what is selling and they copy it. You know, I'm guilty of that too. But this is a really good way to niche down and get into some untapped niches that not too many people know about. It's very low in competition. I think I had another page opened up. No, that's it. Or maybe it was this one right here. Yeah, so proud dad of a 2024 computer science graduate. You know, 26 results. And none of them are saying computer science. They're all just the regular ones that we've already seen a million times, not adding any value to the marketplace. All right, so let's see if I can find one that says computer science. Not seeing it. At least this one has kindergarten. Yeah, so that's one of the ways. And I also want to share with you another niche that I also found that can do pretty well, and it is this one right here, which is finally finished. So this is basically for people that are going to be graduating with a PhD degree. So right here, so you can do a design like this that says finished or finally finished. You want to spell it kind of like with the PhD. So right here, it's a play on words. So instead of spelling finally with an F, you would spell it with a PH, which is kind of pronounced the same, but it's a play on words because they are receiving their PhD degree, which I think is a master's degree or some type of, you know, credential. And you want to use 2024, and I don't think I saw any for this. So finally finished, that said 2024. Basically all of them were 2023. So you want to take this niche right here. Actually, this one's 2025, so they're kind of ahead of the game right there. But basically you can do this design right here or something similar. You do finally finished or finally done, and you put the word 2024 in some type of, like, you know, graduation clip art, whether it's a scroll or a graduation ad or something like that. All right, so that's just a little bonus niche I showed you, but the main part of this video that I want to show you is how you can tap into this niche right here by niching down and focusing on the majors. Don't just do another proud mom of a 2024 graduate. Do one like that says proud mom of a 2024, you know, nursing graduate, computer science graduate, engineering graduate, you know, psychologist graduate, things like that. You know, when everyone's zigging, you want to zag, you want to kind of think like outside of the box, and this is one of the ways that we can do it. All right, so just quick little video on how you can tap into this niche right here. I wanted to share it with you. Hope you guys got some value out of this. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I make videos like this where I show you like how you can think like outside of the box, how you can find niches that are low in competition, trending niches, things like that. If you want to learn how I get sales like this on somewhat of a regular basis, like this was a really good day, you know, $82 in January. That's pretty good for me, at least. 62, 73, 43. It's kind of coming down a little bit. Actually, this was a pretty good one, 62. We'll see how today ends, but I have a course in the description. It's the first link in the description. It's on Udemy. It's only $19 or $19.99. It's good for like beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. If you're interested in that, check it out. If not, it's all good. But hope you guys are having a great week. I might actually do a vlog video. I'm trying to like maybe test some different type of content out, because I always do these videos. Basically, they're kind of like the same, and I'm thinking about maybe switching it up. So if you want to see like a vlog video, I'm thinking about doing like the daily life in you know, a Merch by Amazon seller. You know, from waking up to, you know, basically going to bed. So I don't know if you're interested in that. Let me know below, and that's it. All right. So thanks so much for watching. You guys have a good one. Adios.